Imagine standing in the hallowed halls of Oxford Union, the very same institution that once produced the architects of British colonialism. And imagine dismantling 200 years of colonial propaganda in just 15 minutes. One man did exactly that. His speech went viral, over 4 million views. It changed the global conversation about colonialism forever. But here is what most people don't know: that viral moment was not an accident, it was not luck, it was the culmination of a 4M power matrix of mission, management, messaging, and mentoring, which was meticulously built over the period of last 4 decades. His mission was from United Nations diplomat to Indian parliamentarian. His management was 29 years mastering the global governance. His messaging was 26 books and the most influential social media presence in Indian politics. And his mentoring was inspiring millions of the youth to think, speak, and lead in a different manner. Jai Hind, I am Lieutenant Colonel Dr. Satish Dhage with 4 Power Matrix of military leadership, medical ethics, media clarity, and mentoring emerging leaders. Today, we shall decode the extraordinary multi-domain career architecture of Dr. Shashi Tharoor, a man who proves that in this VUCA world, volatile, very complex, ambiguous, and uncertain world, betting your entire future on a single career path is not just risky, but in a way, it's a professional suicide. If you believe that one career, one income stream, one identity is enough in year 2026, this video would shatter that illusion. Let's begin. The first M in our 4M power matrix is mission. And Dr. Tharoor's mission has been crystal clear right from day one. He wanted to be a global voice for India and champion a post-colonial narrative of dignity, development, and democracy. But what makes his mission truly remarkable is the audacity of scope. His tenure in United Nations from 1978 to 2007 has built the global credibility. Picture this: year 1978. A 22-year young dynamic person with a doctorate from Tufts University Fletcher School joins United Nations not as a junior clerk but as a staff member destined to climb to the highest echelons of global governance. For the next 29 years of his life, Tharoor did not just work at the United Nations, he became the United Nations. He was a peacekeeper in war-torn nations, refugees coordinator managing humanitarian crisis. He was Under Secretary General for Communications and Public Information, and he was executive assistant to United Nations Secretary General Kofi Annan. And here is the kicker. In year 2006, he ran for the United Nations Secretary General post. And in that particular election, he finished second out of 7 candidates worldwide. He became India's strongest contender so far for world's most prestigious diplomatic position, that is United Nations Secretary General election. Most people would call this as an election loss. Tharoor called it as a platform to learn. But here is where it gets interesting. At the age of 53, when most people are cruising towards their retirement and thinking about the retirement life, Dr. Shashi Tharoor made a decision that shocked the diplomatic world. He resigned from the United Nations and entered the brutal arena of Indian electoral politics. Why? Because his mission had evolved. Global advocacy was no longer enough. He wanted to shape India's future from within the system, from going inside India's political system. And what was the result? He was elected Member of Parliament from Thiruvananthapuram in year 2009. He was re-elected in 2014, re-elected in 2019, re-elected in 2024, despite so many controversies against him. He became the Union Minister of State for External Affairs and Human Resources Development for the period 2009-2010. He was awarded with Lokmat Best Parliamentarian of the Year award in year 2024. Dr. Shashi Tharoor transformed from a global bureaucrat to a grassroots politician without losing his intellectual age. That is mission matrix mastery. Adopting your purpose without abandoning your own principle. It is not that your mission remains static. Over the different phases of life, it might change. And Dr. Shashi Tharoor is the best example of that, considering his journey in world of diplomacy to the politics to authorship and so on. Think about your own mission. Is it evolving or is it static? Or are you stuck in a single lane while the world races ahead in multiple directions? Think seriously about that. Let's discuss the second M of our 4M power matrix, and that is related with management. This is where Dr. Shashi Tharoor's genius truly shines. Because managing a United Nations peacekeeping mission is one thing, but managing your personal brand across books, politics, social media, and international speaking engagement simultaneously is entirely a different ballgame. That is operating at a level most people can't even comprehend. Let me break down Dr. Shashi Tharoor's management matrix, that is M2. Domain 1, political management. He has got so much constituency work related with his Kerala Thiruvananthapuram constituency, Lok Sabha constituency. He has to prepare for parliamentary debates as well as legislative duties. He has to get involved in party politics within Indian National Congress. He has to manage number of political controversies which are against him, and as well as media trials from time to time. Domain 2, apart from political management, domain 2 is literary management. He has published 26 books across fiction, non-fiction and history. He was the Sahitya Academy Award winner for year 2019 for his book An Era of Darkness. He has received Commonwealth Writers' Prize, Crossword Lifetime Achievement Award, and his important books include The Great Indian Novel, Inglorious Empire, Why I Am a Hindu, and so on. Sunday Times top 10 bestseller status was received by Dr. Shashi Tharoor. His domain 3 is media and communication management. He is the most followed Indian politician on Twitter, what we know as X. 1.8 million plus followers he got in year 2013 and millions more today. He has pioneered social media engagement in Indian politics. He is the regular columnist for major international publications. In a global public circuit, speaking circuit, $30,000 to $50,000 per engagement, speaking engagement, he charges. His domain 4 is related with international relations management. He is the chairman of Dubai-based Afraz Ventures. He is the regular speaker at Global Forum, Harvard, Oxford, World Economic Forum, and so on. He is, in a way, India's unofficial cultural ambassador since last number of decades. So he is the person with 4 careers, 1 person, and absolutely zero burnout. Extraordinary management skills. Now you are probably wondering, how does one person manage all these things? Here is Dr. Shashi Tharoor's secret, and this is crucial for anyone building a multi-domain career. First, synergy over separation. Every domain feeds the other domain. His books informed his politics. His politics gave him material for his upcoming books. His United Nations experience lends credibility to his parliamentary speeches. His viral social media moments sell his books. So have you understood one fact? Multiple domains, but they are interlinked, and they are not addition, but in reality, they multiply the impact of other domains. The another aspect is leveraging strengths. He does not pretend to be a grassroots organizer. He's an intellectual politician and he owns it. Whatever is your originality, stick to that particular thing and develop different aspects around it. Don't follow anybody. Have your originality. That is the mantra. That is the mantra which Dr. Shashi Tharoor had given us, related with leveraging on your own strengths. Third aspect is strategic delegation. You don't see Dr. Shashi Tharoor doing retail politics personally. He has a team for that. He focuses on high impact activities. He focuses on speech, writing, debates, media, and related aspects, where his core role, where his involvement is more important. So, comparatively, lesser important tasks can be delegated, and exactly the same thing is being done by Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Fourth aspect, digital multiplication. His one Oxford speech is equal to millions of views, is equal to increase in his book sales, is equal to increase in getting the speaking invitations, is equal to capitalizing over the political capital. So one thing, and there are so many different aspects which are associated with that. That is what the exponential return on investment, exponential ROI. Somebody who is saying only one career is sufficient, somebody who is saying that we should specialize in particular area. See the best example of Dr. Shashi Tharoor. He is a multi-domain personality, and that's why he could multiply his impact in whichever area he is functioning, in whichever area he is contributing. This is not hustle culture. This is intelligent architecture of a multi-dimensional career of Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Here is $1 million question for you. Ask yourself, are your career domains competing or are they complementing each other? Are you building synergy or you are just juggling chaos? This was second M of Dr. Shashi Tharoor's personality, that is management part. Let's discuss the third M, which is messaging. And this is where Dr. Shashi Tharoor has achieved cult status. His messaging is so distinctive, so powerful, that it has become a cultural phenomenon in India. It was May 28, 2015. Oxford Union debate on the motion. Britain owes reparations to her former colonies. Dr. Tharoor stood up and delivered 15-minute speech that would be watched by tens of millions worldwide. And key messaging strategies in his speech were, first, data-driven devastation. Britain's rise for 200 years was financed by its dependencies like India. India's share of the world in economy was 23% at that time when Britain or Britishers, they have arrived in India. When they left, it was below 4%. Britishers extracted $45 trillion in today's value from India. Second aspect, emotional resonance. No wonder the United Nations never set or on the British Empire. Okay, so even God could not trust the English in the dark. What he has said basically, that Britishers always say that the sun never set on British Empire. But sarcastically, Dr. Shashi Tharoor says even God could not trust the English in the dark, and that's why Britishers could do this particular thing. So his sense of humor, in a way, in a satirical manner, he can put his point very forcefully. Third aspect is historical irony. We were told railways were Britain's gift to India, but those railways were built to serve the British interest, not the Indian interest, so that they can transport the raw materials to ports so that the Indian stuff, Indian goods can be exported to Britain. So it was for the Britishers' interest that they have developed the railways, not for the Indians' interest. And what was the result of this powerful speech? Over 20 million plus views across all the platforms. This speech was translated into dozens of languages. It became a global reference point for post-colonial discourse, and it expanded into the best-selling book, Inglorious Empire, which was written by Dr. Shashi Tharoor. That is the messaging that does not just inform, it transforms. That is what the power of messaging M3 of 4 Empire Matrix of Dr. Shashi Tharoor. But Dr. Shashi Tharoor did not stop at Oxford. He pioneered something extraordinary on Indian Twitter, Indian X, if I may say. the weaponization of a vocabulary. Words like farrago, which is nothing but a confused mixture, rodomontade, boastful talk, and so many such kind of words which has added to the English vocabulary. Each tweet of Dr. Shashi Tharoor has become a viral moment. Each word sent millions to the dictionary. Critics called it show off. But here is what actually happened. Dr. Shashi Tharoor made English vocabulary cool. Millions of young Indians started reading more, learning more, aspiring to articulate better. He turned language itself into a tool for aspiration and empowerment. That is messaging genius, making education viral. Unbelievable. 26 books, 20 million views, infinite influence. Tharoor's messaging operates on multiple levels. Level 1, political communication through his parliamentary speeches that trend on Twitter. Level 2, intellectual leadership, books that challenge dominant narratives. Level 3, cultural influence, making language, history, and ideas accessible. Level 4, global positioning, representing India's voice on international platforms. He doesn't just communicate, he architects the narratives. So here comes introspection for all of us. What is our messaging strategy? Are we just posting content, or are we building a distinctive voice that people remember, people quote, and people share? The fourth and final M of 4M power matrix of Dr. Shashi Tharoor is mentoring. And this might be Dr. Shashi Tharoor's most underestimated contribution. Because while he has never run a formal mentorship program, he has mentored an entire generation through his work. His action speaks louder than words. Tharoor mentors in 4 powerful ways. 1, academic mentoring. His books are reading lists for students of politics, history, and international relations worldwide. Professors assign Inglorious Empire, his book, and The Great Indian Novel in curricula from Delhi to London to New York. Second one is professional mentoring. Young diplomats, bureaucrats, and politicians study his United Nations career trajectory and political strategies. He proved that intellectual rigor and electoral politics can coexist. These are not two different things. Third aspect is digital mentoring. His social media presence taught the Indian politicians how to engage authentically in virtual mode, online mode. He himself was Twitter before Twitter became political mainstream in India. Aspirational mentoring. He showed that you can be Indian and speak impeccable English without apology. You can challenge Western narratives without being shrill. You can pursue multiple careers without being called distracted. You can fail in United Nations Secretary General election race, in ministerial resignations, and still you can rebuild. In December 2024, young leaders at Take Pride 2025 conference highlighted Dr. Shashi Tharoor's guidance on navigating a multipolar world, strategic autonomy, and Asia's rise at global canvas. Here is what Dr. Shashi Tharoor mentors us in consciously or unconsciously. First, lesson 1, career diversification is survival. One income stream is equal to 1 point of failure. Multiple domains of your career will give you resilience. Lesson 2, intellectual capital is evergreen. Politicians lose elections, bureaucrats retire, but authors, thinkers, and speakers, their value appreciates with time. Over the period of time, their value is appreciated from time to time. Lesson 3, reputation. It takes years. It takes only few moments to destroy, but it takes years to build up your reputation. But despite that, reputation can be rebuilt. Why? Because within moments, your reputation can be destroyed. But if you have that fighting jazba, fighting spirit, again, your reputation can be built over the period of time. And Dr. Shashi Tharoor is the best example of that. Dr. Shashi Tharoor has faced massive controversies throughout his life. Yet, he is still standing because he built his brand on substance, not just on image. Lesson 4, Global thinking, local execution. Think like a diplomat, act like a politician, and communicate like a tweeter, communicate like a writer. That is what 21st century leadership is, which has been shown by Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Lesson 5 from Dr. Shashi Tharoor: language is power. Your ability to articulate complex ideas simply or simple ideas compellingly determines your influence on the audience. France recognized this, and that's why in February 2024, they conferred their highest civilian honor on Dr. Shashi Tharoor for his contributions as a diplomat, author, and a politician. The world sees what India sometimes overlooks. So now ask yourself, who are you mentoring? Not through formal programs of mentoring, but through your work, your example, your consistency. So let's bring it all together. Dr. Shashi Tharoor's 4 Empower Matrix: mission, clear, evolving, purpose driven, from global advocacy to national politics to cultural leadership. Second M, management, multi domain excellence, 4 parallel careers managed with synergy, not chaos. Third M, messaging, distinctive, viral, transformative. Words that educate, speeches that change the narratives worldwide, and tweets that teach. Fourth M, mentoring, leading by example, inspiring millions through his work, resilience, and substance. This is not a career, this is an ecosystem which has been built by Dr. Shashi Tharoor. And here is the critical insight for all of us. In today's VUCA world, that is volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous world, a single career model is a single point of failure. My career in military has taught me this. Medicine reinforced it. Media expanded it. And mentoring has multiplied it. That's why this 4 Empower Matrix applies to me also as Lieutenant Colonel Dr. Satish Dage, with 4 Empower Matrix of military leadership, media clarity, medical ethics, and mentoring the emerging leaders. So here is my challenge to you, and this is especially for the emerging leaders, students, and professionals who are watching this particular video. Stop thinking of your career as a ladder. Start thinking of it as a portfolio. Ask yourself these 4 questions. First, mission. What is my core purpose? Is it evolving or is it stagnating? Second, management. What are my domains? Am I building synergy or I am just juggling? Third, messaging. What is my distinctive voice? Am I memorable or forgettable? Fourth, mentoring. Who am I inspiring? What legacy am I creating? If you can't answer this clearly, you don't have a career architecture. You have just a survival strategy. And survival strategies don't create impact. They create stress on your life. Let me be brutally honest with you. Dependence on a single career in year 2026 and onwards is a professional suicide. Companies downsize, technologies disrupt industries overnight, economic shocks destroy job security, health crisis pause entire sectors. But if you have built a 4 Empower Matrix, then you are resilient, you are relevant, you are unstoppable. Dr. Shashi Tharoor lost the United Nations Secretary General election race, but he continued with his politics, writing and speaking. Dr. Tharoor resigned as a minister, but he had books, media, constituency, and work. Dr. Shashi Tharoor faced controversies, but has intellectual capital that outlasts news cycles. That is anti-fragility in action. Dr. Shashi Tharoor did not become a role model by accident. He built a 4 Empower Matrix systematically, a mission that evolves, management across domains, messaging that matters, mentoring through various examples. And this can be done by you also. Not by copying his career, but by applying his framework to your unique strengths. Because the question is no longer, what do you want to be when you grow up? The real question is, what are the 4 to 5 domains you will master to create a resilient, impactful, multi-income career that serves your mission and mentors the next generation? That is the real 4 Empower Matrix. That is the real leadership in this VUCA world. And that is going to be your future if you choose to build it. If this video gave you clarity or challenged your thinking, hit that like button to help you reach more emerging leaders. Subscribe to the channel for 4 Empower Matrix leadership role models. Comment below what is your 4 Empower Matrix going to be. I want to know that. And share this video with someone who is stuck in a single career mindset. Next week, we are breaking down another extraordinary leader in this leadership series who have mastered the 4M framework. Until then, remember, one career is equal to 1 point of failure. 4 domains is equal to infinite possibilities. This is Lieutenant Colonel Dr. Satish Dage reminding you, leadership is not about the ranks, position, authority. It is about relevance, resilience, and the impact on your followers. Build your own 4 Empower Matrix and change your world. Thank you. Jai Hind.